Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Suno AI with my voice. If you want your songs to feel more personal, more unique, or closer to your own creative identity, using your own voice is one of the best ways to do it. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your own voice into Suno AI and turn it into music in just a few clear steps. This can be useful if you want to create demo songs, experiment with your vocal style, make personal tracks, or test how your voice sounds in different genres. First, open your browser and head to the Suno AI website. Give the page a moment to load so all the creative tools initialize properly. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account so your settings and projects can be saved and synced. This is important because your voice samples, generated tracks, and project history need to stay connected to the right account. From the main dashboard, look for the Create button. This is your starting point for any new project. Click it, and you'll land in the workspace where you can decide how hands-on you want to be. Think of this area as the control room, where you choose how much direction you want to give Suno before it starts creating. You'll see two modes, Simple and Advanced. If you want a quick, streamlined path with fewer decisions, choose Simple. If you prefer more control over details like style and structure later on, go with Advanced. You can always experiment, so don't overthink it. Pick the mode that matches how much guidance you want today. For beginners, Simple mode is a great way to start fast. For creators who want more control over genre, mood, lyrics, and song structure, Advanced mode gives you more room to shape the result. Next, click on Voices. This is where you connect Suno AI to your own voice. You'll have two options. You can record your voice directly, or you can upload an audio file that contains your voice. Recording is helpful if you want to make a fresh sample right away, while uploading is better if you already have a clean voice clip saved on your device. If you're recording, find a quiet spot, bring the mic close, and speak or sing clearly. A short, clean sample usually works best. If you're uploading, choose a clip where your voice is front and center, with minimal background noise or effects. Try to avoid echo, loud music, wind, heavy reverb, or other voices in the background, because clean audio gives Suno a better sample to work with. Common audio formats are typically supported, but prioritize clarity over length, and make sure you only use audio you own and have the right to use. Your voice recorded by you. This means don't upload someone else's voice, a celebrity voice, or a clip you don't have permission to use. Keeping it your own makes the process safer, cleaner, and more useful for your personal projects. Once your voice is captured, either by recording or uploading, you're ready to start making music with it. Suno AI will use the characteristics of your voice to guide the sound it creates. Things like tone, delivery, texture, and vocal feel can help shape the final result. So a clear voice sample can make a big difference. From here, follow the on-screen options in your chosen mode to shape the track. Keep your ideas simple at first. Think about the vibe you're going for, and let the tool do the heavy lifting. For example, you might start with something like emotional pop song, soft acoustic ballad, upbeat dance track, or chill lo-fi melody. Once you hear the first result, you can make the prompt more specific. Listen to the initial result, then refine if something sounds off. Try a cleaner voice sample, or adjust your mode choice to give yourself more or less control. If the vocal feels unclear, record again in a quieter space. If the song style feels wrong, change the mood, genre, tempo, or prompt details and generate another version. That's all there is to it. Go to Suno AI, log in, click Create, pick Simple or Advanced, open Voices, and either record or upload your voice. Then, dive in and start making music using your own voice. The more you test different styles, the better you'll understand what works best with your vocal tone. Take your time, iterate, and enjoy the creative process. Your first result does not have to be perfect. The goal is to experiment, learn what sounds good, and keep improving until the track feels right.